George, can I tell you something honestly?
Of course. What's going on?
Every time I try to speak English, my brain feels heavy. It's like my thoughts are stuck in traffic.
That's a very good description. Heavy and slow.
Yes, because I first think in my native language, then I translate, then I correct grammar, and by that time the moment is gone.
You just described the biggest hidden problem of English learners.
Really?
Yes, most learners think their problem is vocabulary, but actually their real enemy is translation.
That makes so much sense. It feels like I'm running two systems at a time.
Exactly. Imagine trying to type on two keyboards at once. That's what your brain is doing.
So, is translation always bad?
Not at the beginning. Translation helps you understand meaning, but if you keep using it while speaking, it becomes a cage.
A cage?
Yes, because translation slows reaction time, and confidence needs speed.
That explains why I freeze in conversations.
Let me ask you something. If someone suddenly asks you, "What did you do last weekend?" what happens inside your head?
First, I think in my language. Then I try to build a perfect English sentence, something long and impressive.
And that long sentence creates pressure.
Yes, I want to sound smart.
That's the trap.
What trap?
When you try to sound smart, you think complex thoughts. Complex thoughts need translation. Translation creates delay. Delay creates anxiety. Anxiety creates silence.
That is exactly what happens to me.
Let me tell you a small story.
I'm listening.
There was a girl named Mira. She was very good at reading English, very good at writing, but in conversations she was silent.
Why?
Because she wanted to speak like her teacher. Long sentences, perfect grammar, beautiful words.
That sounds familiar.
One day her friend asked her, "Are you coming to the party tonight?"
Simple question.
Very simple. But in her mind, she started building something like, "I am currently uncertain about my availability due to certain prior commitments."
That's too much.
Exactly. And while she was building that sentence, the conversation moved on.
So she said nothing?
Yes, and she went home feeling frustrated.
That's painful.
The next day, her teacher gave her advice.
What advice?
Think small, speak small.
That sounds simple.
It is simple and powerful. The next time someone asked her a question, she answered like this, "I'm not sure."
That's it?
Yes, just that. No translation, no perfection, just direct thought.
And what happened?
The conversation continued naturally.
So, the key is small sentences.
Small ideas.
What's the difference?
When you think in big ideas, you translate. When you think in small ideas, you speak directly.
Can you give an example?
Instead of thinking, "Yesterday I experienced significant fatigue due to professional obligations," think, "I was tired. Work was busy." Two simple ideas.
That feels lighter.
Because your brain can handle small units faster.
So how do we train ourselves to stop translating?
Step 1. Reduce sentence length. Step 2. Use ready-made structures. Step 3. Think in images, not language.
Thinking in images sounds interesting.
Let's try something. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine coffee.
I see a cup, steam, brown color.
Did you translate the word coffee into your language first?
Oh, I just saw the image.
That's direct connection. That's what we want.
So when someone asks, "What did you eat?" I should imagine food instead of translating?
Exactly. Imagine the plate, the rice, the vegetables. Then say, "I ate rice."
That feels natural.
It is natural. Children learn language like that. Image first, word second. No translation.
I never thought about it like that.
Most learners don't. They believe translation equals intelligence, but fluency equals direct thinking.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed speaking simple English.
That's ego talking.
Ego again.
Yes, ego wants to sound impressive. Confidence wants to sound clear.
That's a powerful difference.
Let me ask you something honest.
Okay.
When someone speaks simple English clearly, do you judge them?
No,
Most people don't care about your grammar. They care about connection.
that's true.
Now, let's talk about a practical technique.
I love practical steps.
When someone asks you a question, do not build the whole answer in your head. Instead, say the first small idea immediately.
For example,
If someone asks, "How was your trip?" don't prepare a paragraph. Say, "It was good." Then pause. Then add, "I went with my family." Then pause. Then add, "The weather was nice."
so we build step by step.
Yes, speaking is like walking, one step at a time.
That feels much more manageable.
Translation tries to jump to the finish line. Direct thinking walks naturally.
Why does translation create fear, though?
Because translation requires accuracy, accuracy requires judgment, judgment creates anxiety.
So the emotional problem is bigger than the language problem.
Exactly. Many learners are not weak in English, they are afraid of being wrong.
That hits deep.
Let me ask you something. When you were younger, did you translate your native language before speaking?
No.
You just spoke,
Yes.
because you were not afraid of mistakes.
So confidence is more about mindset than vocabulary.
Very much.
If someone watching feels stuck in translation, what is the first exercise they can do today?
For one full day, speak only in short sentences. No sentence longer than 5 or 6 words.
That sounds like a challenge.
It is a healthy challenge. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I like this. I don't agree.
Direct, clear, fast, and over time, complexity will grow naturally.
Yes, complexity should grow from comfort, not pressure.
I feel like this is freeing.
It is freeing. When you stop translating, you stop performing, and when you stop performing, you start communicating.
That line is powerful.
Because language is not a performance, it's connection.
If someone has been silent for years because of translation fear,
Start today. Speak one small idea without translating, and repeat tomorrow. Your brain will slowly build new pathways.
so translation is a habit,
Yes, and habits can change.
but only if we practice differently. And if this conversation helped you understand why you freeze while speaking, subscribe to our channel.
Every week, we break fear step by step for shy English learners.
And if you want a complete lesson on how to stop freezing and speak without awkward pauses, watch our full playlist linked in the description and pinned comment.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect,
It needs to be alive.
and it becomes alive when you stop translating and start expressing.